Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 10 of the Lincoln Rehab. So it didn't take too long, and everything here got papered up because we went right into painting. And so the homeowners had basically 24 hours where they got to appreciate their floor for what it looked like, and then we covered it right back up, which is how we roll. So now we got a lot of touch up and a lot of painting and a lot of everything else going on. And it's day number 10, so yesterday was day number 9, but yesterday was a little bit crazy, so I didn't get a chance to actually make a video. The reason it got crazy is because the homeowner, while we have the dumpster, we talked about it and he thought, well, this would be a good time to renovate the garage, particularly because they're going to be down a car, and so now we've got access to it while we're here. So we said, sure, why not? So we've got Thomas, the plasterer, over there right now, and he's doing some plaster work. But here's a quick shot of what the garage looked like before. And so nothing too crazy. It's a 2-car garage, automatic doors that go up and down. As we walk in, the walls, well, they're a little bit beat up. They've got that texture to it, and it's really a hodgepodge. It didn't seem like they never really finished it. And then looking over here at the stairs, it's not a practical stairs. You're like out, and this is their main entrance into the house here, because no one uses the front door. So we're going to see if we can redo the stairs. We're going to take a look at the floor, and we're going to put in some type of, epoxy floor on here, and then we're going to take a look at this. We got this stress crack here in the very front of it, so we're going to look to fill that and to just kind of give this a clean sweep so that they can really kind of feel like, I don't know, when they drive in here they've got some room for things. So that's what was yesterday. We were doing a lot of painting. As I said, Thomas, the plasterer, is in there right now. And we got our vanity in place. And so the vanity had to get in place so that we get the backsplash glued on, because they're going to come tomorrow and they're going to measure a mirror. And the mirror is going to fit top to bottom right above this, so we had to get all that in place. And then that's where we're at today. Plus a lot of just little things, because we're painting. We got our paint on here, and so when you're doing detail work like this, it just takes time. We painted the frame, and this was tough because it was an acrylic base, or perhaps an oil base. I'm not too sure that we were going on, and so we had to use a gripper, and we had to strip it, and then we had to put an acrylic on too. And then in here, we're starting to break things down. We got the door down, and we're putting that same acrylic white paint on there. So that's going to really hold up well, particularly in a moisture-laden environment like a bathroom. So that's where we're at on day number 10. Day number 11, which is going to be tomorrow, like I said, the glass guy's going to come in. We're going to kind of keep moving along. We're going to keep painting here in the hallway. We're going to get these doors back on. So that's really what we're at. We're doing touch-up, and this is where we're really kind of crashing, or not crashing, but it's just a run-up to the end of the week, where we're supposed to have everything in there, and now we're supposed to be ready to go. So this whole thing here still needs to get built and in place, and I still got one more coat to go on the plaster here as I'm trying to level this in and make it look like it's all one wall. Originally, that closet, the plaster was not the same level as the plaster out here. It looks like this had probably been redone at some point, and that hadn't. So there's a whole trick to just kind of getting this smoothed out. So that's what we're kind of really paying attention to on there. The other thing that is here is we've got all of our countertops here now. So these little bits are in here, the shelf is in, and the countertop, and then behind here we've got the one for the cabinet. Now that cabinet, we haven't put it in yet, but you can see it right there. And that's just a really simple IKEA cabinet, I believe. And then you can see our drying rack. So we got everything here and in place, and now it's just a matter of putting them in. And we're going to do them in the right order so that we can get all the walls painted and everything like that. But that couldn't happen right now because we are timing, and it's going to take them a little bit to cut the glass, so we wanted to make sure that they can come in tomorrow and get that cut so that by the time we leave here, they've got a fully functioning bathroom. And it's not going to end there, because as soon as this one's done, we're going to bump out an extra week, and we're going to do the organization and build out of the garage. So Lincoln Rehab has been extended, and yeah, stay with us, and we'll show you what's going on, particularly how the drywall is going up tomorrow.